Oh no. What's he up to now? It's an Ewok of the Caribbean or the Caribbean. I think it's Endor Awaits episode 1. But for him to do this trip, I think he's going to need a new GoPro 7. Crazy Ewok. Let's check this thing out. Ewok. I gotta flip the screen around. Don't move. Now I see what you see. A little forced on the end. So we got the GoPro 7. Let's see what this puppy's all about with this hyper smooth shite. You're gonna use it on your boat. I didn't know they had boats on Endor. So I'm upgrading from the 5, which is a fantastic camera. I had no problems with this thing. Didn't like the video stabilization too much. It was a little jerky. It was, I don't know, didn't work that great. But overall, I mean, the camera works fantastic. The water, I've taken this thing in pools, dropped it, beat the crap out of it. It still works perfect. Zero problems with it. So I have to vouch, I have to say for GoPro, this is a very, very tough camera, so I can't say anything bad about it. Let me just silence my phone because it's going to be annoying. Again, that's how well prepared I am. So, now, I didn't see it was worth getting the 6 from the 5. There were differences, but not spending another $400 differences. So I waited, and I'm glad I did, because this thing seems pretty good from what the videos I've seen online. Not that just the GoPro stuff. I actually seen other people's videos, but the Hyper Smooth seems to work pretty good. The 4K 60 versus the 30. The Hyper Smooth, I don't know if it works on the 60 frames 4K, but that's fine. Pretty much I only do 1080p 60 anyway. The live streaming from this thing, you could do Facebook, which is pretty damn cool. The 1080p 240 frames. So there's a bunch of things that the HDR. A couple of the, whatever. I mean, there is big enough difference that I can't justify getting it every year. So unless the 8 really blows my mind next year, but I'm gonna see what's inside this thing. Oh, cool. I don't know if the 5 had that. I don't remember. Slide. What is in here? There we go. Oh, I see what they did there. Okay. Ooh, wait. The smell of new electronics. Okay, I'm done with it. I need a new one. So we got your silly books. Does anyone read this stuff? Do you read it? Oh, stickers to put on your pirate boat of the Ewok being. More books. And we get a battery. Uno. Little C to A. Probably like I don't even think it's 3 feet. Might be. Open. Not even. A 1.5 feet. Probably. Might be an. Yeah, whatever. So that's fine. Some mountain clips. Not mountain mount clips. Get the flat and the curvature. That's good for like a helmet. Forehead. Surprised it's sticking with all my greasy Italian skin. I don't know, I wouldn't trust the camera on it. That's the old case. Cool. I like the new color. Open this sucker. Oh, I gotta lift the little tabby. The little tab. Then a little squeeze and push. I did the pre-order on the GoPro website. I got a little anxious, but it was alright. They gave me a 32 gigabyte card for free. It's 32 gigabytes a little, I mean, that's gonna fill up pretty quick. So, but it's free. Ooh. Do some comparisons here. Okay, the color is pretty, wow, it feels pretty heavy. Well, I guess it's the same. But here's the 5. Here's the 6. I'm sorry, 7. Oh, there goes the 7. Didn't break. That would have been funny. For you, not me. Some design changes. The sides. You got little ripples on the 5. Smooth on the 7. Oh, and they claimed the microphones are better too. Because when I had it in this stupid thing, you could hear a lot of microphone noises. It was pretty annoying. So I'm hoping, I'm going to be doing a lot of tests with it, so I'm hoping that is resolved. And the good thing is I have extra batteries, charging cable, mounting, so I don't have to get none of that replaced. I could still use the old batteries, which is fantastic. Here's the new one. Should be the same milliamperage, and we do have very small print. And the lighting is not sufficient. Let's see, 1220 milliamperage. Cross-eyed. Let's see. The font is definitely different on this one. We got a 1220 milliamperage. Identical. That's the one that came with my 5. So it's a little more silvery, the font. A little less harder to a little harder to read on the new one. But identical. I have them numbered because I had 3 batteries. Yep. The old one fits. If the battery fits, do you quit? Nah, you don't quit. The 64 gigabyte card, my old one. I'm gonna put it in here. Little swap-a-roo. I'm gonna lose the turtle on the back. If I can figure out how to peel it off. Here comes the turtle. Shh. Yeah, he couldn't hear it. Let's put the new battery in. I don't know if it's charged though, but we'll find out. Pretty snug fit. I can't shut the door. Any reason? Oh, never mind. There we go. Okay, so let's turn it up. All right, we're on. That was quick. Very fast. Oh, GoPro 7. See that? English. Legal stuff. It actually says legal stuff. That's pretty funny. Agree. I don't have a choice, do I? Capture locations where your videos and photos are taken. Sure. Install GoPro up on your phone. Follow the instructions. Connect to your camera. What? I don't want to do that yet. Connecting the camera, GoPro. Lets you easily transfer, edit, blah, 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 blah. We'll do that later. Son of a bitch. Let's do the date. I just want to use this stupid thing. Time. What's the time? 7. Well, I can tell you the touchscreen is definitely easy to use in the 5. That's very nice. I like that. The whole, the battery's at 21%. Okay. Pretty cool. So I'm not going to get too involved right now. Just want to... Where the hell's my 1080p? What kind of weird crap is this? Oh, it's on 4.3. Who records 4.3? Who? I don't. 16:9, 1080p. To play it back, it is resolution, frame rate, blah 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 blah. Whatever. Oh, 240, 60 frames. Hyper smooth stabilization. We do wide field of view. Stabilization auto. We got, okay, yes, we shall do that. Auto light, blah 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 blah. Pro Tune. Now this is what the Pro Tune, I know in the 5 seemed to do better well lit situations when I was outside. It worked very well. Indoor I did off. It was a little more flat, but the detail was not lost in the dark. So this looks like it might be big time improved. I'm not going to know until I test it, but it's on, it's functioning, and you can stare at me twice. Why would you even want to stare at me once? I don't even want to look at me once. You see you see him seeing you, see him, he can't see you. Turning it off. I'm going to mess with this later. Plenty of videos will be taken and uploaded. I'm going to sync it to the phone. I'm going to do all that crap. I'm sure there's a firmware update, underwear update, and I'm going to sell the 5. It is functioning perfect, 0 damage. Even though I say I've dropped it, there's no scratches on it because it never hit concrete. I didn't tell you that part. So it works good. You did me well. You better do me better. I'm going to do all kinds of tests with the microphone and all this. So there you have it. GoPro 5, GoPro 7. Sette. Is that correct? Is there Italian on your planet?